Now let us see the equation of a straight line parallel to x-axis. Here we are going to see if a straight line parallel to x-axis means what is the equation. Let AB be a straight line parallel to x-axis which is at a distance b. Then y coordinate of every point on AB is b. Okay, so first you have to draw one line, that is y-axis line y dash, after the x-axis line x dash. Okay, so here what equation you are going to find out? If a straight line parallel to x-axis means what is the equation? Now you have to draw one line, that line name is AB. That line make it parallel to the x-axis. Now see, this AB line is parallel to this x-axis line. Okay, so this is the x-axis line. Now you have drawn this line, that line name is AB. Now this AB line is parallel to the x-axis. Okay, so if this line is parallel to x-axis means what is the equation? So here afterwards, which is at a distance b, which is at a distance b mean from this line to this line, the distance we have considered b. Okay, so this distance, that y-axis line, so this distance what we have considered b. So now then how will you plot these points? Then x-axis all the points you have to write. Then how will you plot these points? 0 comma b, because the y coordinate of every point b only will come, because this distance what we have taken, b only we have taken. So then every point on y coordinate is b only will come. Okay, so then how will you plot this points? 0 comma b, that point. Okay, so the next one 1 comma b, this point. The next one 2 comma b, this point. Okay, so like that it will go. So in this side, so I know that this distance b only, so then negative minus 1 comma b, this point. Okay, so the next one minus 2 comma b, minus 3 comma b, this point. Okay, so then this all the points lies on here. Okay, so next, now see here, if a straight line parallel to x-axis mean the y coordinate will not change. Okay, so the y coordinate, what distance we have considered? B. Okay, so this is the equation. If a straight line parallel to x-axis mean the y coordinate will not change. Y is equal to what distance we have taken? See, b. Here every y coordinate of every point is b only, because this distance, the y axis, that y coordinate, the distance what we have taken, b only. So this is the equation, y is equal to b. If the straight line parallel to x-axis means y is equal to b. Y is equal to b mean the y coordinate, what distance we have considered, that distance will come. Okay, so that distance will not change. So that's why we have written this is the equation, y is equal to b. So here if this generally we have written y is equal to b, because this distance we have considered b, so that's why we have written the y coordinate of every point is b. For example, here any other number if you are taking means, so this distance, this line to this line, that distance if you are considering any one number, for example positive number, y is equal to 4, so the y-axis line, the distance is 4 if you are considering means the points lies on where, here see, for example the distance is 4. Okay, so positive number mean above the x-axis, negative number distance if you are considering mean below the x-axis line it will come. Okay, so now here 4 if you are considering the distance from this line to this line, 4 positive number if you are considering mean above the x-axis line only will come. Okay, so this distance is 4 mean how will you plot these points? 0 comma 4, 1 comma 4, 2 comma 4, 3 comma 4. So y coordinate of every point 4 only will come, because that distance is 4. For example minus 4 is there means here y is equal to minus 4. So minus 4 means here down part only we need to take, because the y-axis line, the negative here only will come. Okay, so minus 4 mean how will you plot this point? 0 comma minus 4, 1 comma minus 4, 2 comma minus 4, 3 comma minus 4, 4 comma, like that it will go. Here minus 1 comma minus 4, minus 2 comma minus 4, minus 3 comma minus 4. So if you are considering the distance negative, this b value, that distance negative number if you are considering means that points lies on below the x-axis. Positive number plus 4 if you are considering, for example plus 4 if you are considering means the points are lies on above the x-axis. If you are considering the distance negative number means the points lies on the below the x-axis. For example b is equal to 0, b is equal to 0 means the distance, y coordinate, that distance you are considering the 0 means how will you plot this point? 0 comma 0, 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, here minus 1 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0, that all the points, if the y coordinate of every point is 0 means all the points lies on the x-axis line itself. Okay, so that condition only here they have given. If b greater than 0, b greater than 0 mean b, what are the values are possible? Positive number only possible. Then y coordinate positive number if you are considering the distances of this distance of y coordinate positive number if you are considering means that all the points lies on above the x-axis. Already I said 4 if you are considering this distance, positive number 4 if you are considering mean above the x-axis only all the points it will lies on. Okay, then below less than b less than 0, b less than 0 mean b negative numbers are possible, -1, -2, -3, -4. So then y coordinate of every point is negative number if you have means then all the points lies on below the x-axis. For example, this distance negative number if you are considering mean the -4 if you are taking mean that below the x-axis only all the points 0, -4, 1, -4 like that all the points lies on below the x-axis. Okay, b is equal to 0, b is equal to 0 means y coordinate of every point the distance is 0 means then all the points lies on x-axis itself. So 0 means 0, 0, 1, 0 like that only it will come, so that all the points lies on the x-axis. Okay.